It's yay toy unboxing! Not anymore. It's yay fun times. Hi everyone, we're in for some fun times because we're going to be opening up some Hatchimal CollEGgtibles Mermal magic. And we have this coral castle to go with it. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Okay. Look at my mermaid-like tattoos. Oh, it's so cool. Really fits in with the theme. So we're going to start off with this 4-pack and with the bonus Hatchimal CollEGgtibles. So let's take a look at the box, the container. And here is our legend, so we know which Hatchimals we will be collecting today. So the first one we have is Merkittyken, and she is common. We have another Merkittyken who's also common. So cute. This one here is a special edition Blissful Babe, and this is Blissful Hamstar. It's a limited edition. The next one we have is Merkangaroos, and it is rare. Oh my goodness, so cute. And the next one is Sunshine Surf. And it is Sunshine Platy Piper, special edition, and it's common. Okay, so we got this special case here, and we're going to fill it up with water because these Hatchimal CollEGgtibles, they're kind of hyper color, so if we get some warm water, they'll change color a bit. And let's see. Pretty super duper cool. So now we're on to the Coral Castle. Let's take a look at this. It's pretty cool. Our Hatchimal collectibles are going to have fun playing on it. Okay, so we do have some more Hatchimal collectibles, and what do we have here? You know, I can't figure out which Hatchimal collectible this one is. Do you guys know? Alright, so here we have a chest one, a special edition one. And it's Sapphire Gorilla Bee, and she is common. So beautiful. Now let's have fun with this coral castle. Wow, our Hatchimal collectibles are really going to have a field day. So much Mermal fun. Thank you for watching Yay Fun Times. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video with all your friends. I'll see you later. Bye.